In this video, we'll be using the Mara X3 to demonstrate the process. Before starting, make sure the coffee machine is cold and turned off. Remove the water tank, the cup warmer rack, and the drip tray. Unplug the power cable. All the necessary parts are in the box. Place a cloth on the work surface. Lay the machine on its back to avoid scratches. Remove the 4 rubber feet from the base by hand. Insert the small metal ring and the screw into the central hole from bottom to top. Hold the screw firmly with the Allen key. Place the big metal ring along with the black rubber insert and screw them clockwise. Repeat these steps on all 4 feet. Insert each assembled foot by hand into one of the 4 holes in the base of the coffee machine and tighten the screw using the Allen key without over-tightening.